Ngamari free!
Welcome to the Ngamari Free app. WA Country Health Service developed this app to educate Aboriginal people about smoking. Through this app, you can follow along individual journeys and learn more about the effects of smoking and the benefits of quitting. We also give you lots of information and support about where to go and who to talk to if you're thinking about quitting. Plus, you'll get to know some of the mob. Simply download the application to your mobile device and start exploring the different options. When the download is complete, click on the icon to launch. Once the app has opened, press Start Tour and begin the walkthrough. You will be greeted by Debbie, who will take you on a Ngamari free journey. Select which character's journey you wish to follow. Each one is personalised. To the left of the screen you will find the main menu, with more options such as acknowledgement of country and information about the program. At any point throughout the application, you can click on the menu panel on the left to access the other family members' journeys and learn more about their individual health concerns. You have the ability to control the choice the character makes. Each choice has consequences that you can click on to learn more information about. You can either go back to see what the alternative consequences are if the character was to make a different choice, or get information about where to get help to quit. On the main menu, you also have access to additional educational resources within this app. Within the resources section, you can click and view videos which cover many topics about smoking.
It's hard on your wallet too. Ugh, broke again. If you smoke...
If you want direct support, we have provided easy access to all our helplines and programs. Have fun on your Ngamari free journey.